Welcome to the complete guide on screen recording tools for creating tutorial videos. Whether you're a beginner looking to share your knowledge or someone wanting to document your workflow, this video will help you understand the best tools available and how to use them effectively. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly which screen recording tool suits your needs and how to optimize your setup for professional quality content. Screen recording is the process of capturing everything that happens on your computer monitor, including your mouse movements, keyboard inputs, and audio narration. It's like creating a video of your desktop. Screen recording is essential for creating software tutorials, demonstrating how to use applications, recording presentations, or documenting your work process. The main components of a screen recording are the video of your screen, your voice narration, and optional system sounds. This combination creates a complete learning resource for your audience. Screen recording is incredibly valuable for content creators. First, it enables knowledge sharing by allowing you to teach others step-by-step how to use software or complete tasks. Second, it's cost-effective because you need minimal equipment compared to traditional video production. Third, screen recordings are highly engaging for learners because they can follow along exactly as you demonstrate. Fourth, they're time-efficient to produce since you're recording in real time without complex editing. Finally, screen recordings are reusable content that can benefit thousands of people over time, making your efforts worthwhile. Let's explore the best free screen recording tools available. Open Broadcaster software, commonly known as OBS, is a professional-grade open-source tool with powerful features and zero cost. ShareX is lightweight, user-friendly, and packed with editing capabilities. Camtasia offers a free trial with an intuitive interface perfect for beginners. Screen-O-Matic is simple and straightforward for basic recordings. Bandicam provides excellent quality recordings with minimal performance impact on your system. Each of these tools has unique strengths, and we'll dive deeper into their features in the following slides. Now let's look at professional paid options. Camtasia is a comprehensive solution with both recording and editing capabilities, making it ideal for complete tutorial production. Snagit specializes in high-quality captures with powerful annotation tools. Movavi Screen Recorder offers excellent performance and advanced features. TechSmith Camtasia combines ease of use with professional-grade output. Bandicam Premium unlocks additional codecs and features for advanced users. These paid tools typically offer better customer support, more frequent updates, and additional editing capabilities that can streamline your workflow. Let's compare the two most popular tools. OBS is completely free, open source, and highly customizable, but it has a steeper learning curve and requires more technical knowledge. It's best for users comfortable with advanced settings. Camtasia is paid or free trial, user-friendly with drag-and-drop interface, but costs money for full access. It's ideal for beginners and those who want quick results. OBS excels in flexibility and power, while Camtasia shines in ease of use and built-in editing. Your choice depends on your budget, technical comfort level, and specific needs. When choosing a screen recording tool, consider these essential features. High-resolution support ensures your videos look crisp and clear, ideally at least 1080p or higher. Adjustable frame rate allows you to balance quality and file size. Audio input options let you record your voice through a microphone. Editing capabilities enable you to trim, cut, and enhance your recordings. Hotkey support lets you start and stop recording with keyboard shortcuts for smooth workflow. Cursor highlighting makes your mouse movement visible to viewers. System requirements should match your computer's capabilities to avoid performance issues during recording. Proper configuration is crucial for quality recordings. Set your resolution to at least 1080p or 1024 by 720 for standard tutorials. Choose 24 to 30 frames per second for smooth playback without excessive file sizes. Select a codec like H.264 for good compression. Configure audio input to use your external microphone for clear narration. Enable cursor highlighting so viewers can follow your mouse. Set your microphone levels to avoid distortion, ideally between -12 to -6 decibels. Test all settings before recording to ensure everything works properly. Follow these professional tips for better recordings. Before you start, close all notifications and disable system updates to avoid interruptions. Close unnecessary background applications to free up RAM and prevent lag. Test your audio beforehand with an external microphone for superior sound quality. Use a script or outline to keep your narration focused and professional. Increase text size in your application so viewers can read comfortably. Minimize distracting elements on your screen and maintain a clean workspace. Record in segments rather than one long take, making editing easier. These optimizations will significantly improve your tutorial quality. You now have the knowledge to start creating professional tutorial videos. Remember to select the right tool based on your needs and budget. Configure your settings properly for optimal quality. Practice your technique before recording important tutorials. Take time to optimize your audio, video, and screen layout. Start with simple tutorials and gradually tackle more complex topics as you gain confidence. Your first recordings may not be perfect, and that's completely normal. Keep practicing, learn from feedback, and continuously improve your skills. Now it's time to launch your screen recording journey and start sharing your knowledge with the world.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.